This stuff is surely going to make my fences last literally forever. Look at that. Right guys, this is a really short video on us oiling the fences, and it's all about engine oil. So I had a little brainwave. Why don't I just use engine oil? My dad's a mechanic and he's always dumping used engine oil away responsibly, but it just goes to waste. So why not use that? We're going to show you what it looks like, show how we're going to apply it, show you what it looks like when it's been dried for a day. Yeah, that's what the video is about. Right, so I've been in the middle of renovating my property and it's got so much to do. And yeah, it all looks a bit old and battered. And I thought, okay, well, I'll jet wash it all and see if I can make it look nicer. I did want to keep it light initially. And I have got oil from Amicus, which is a dedicated oil. I did try that last summer. As you can see here, it's doing fantastic. This is the difference between oiled and unoiled over a winter. The Amicus stuff, I'm going to show you a link in a minute. That is going to be another dedicated video for my decking down there. I'll show you that in a minute. But everything else, I'm going to jet wash this up and do all of this. But I'm going to need loads. Not doing all this because this is large and it's underneath the shelter. But if we look here, I jet washed all of this yesterday. This is all green and horrible, like that over there, all mossy and stuff. So I spent 2 or 3 hours jet washing. It's dried a lot lighter. As you can see, it soaks in, and I think once it's been rained on, the residue of oil comes off as well, because I had the jet wash out. I tried jet washing it and I just saw oily water coming off. So it will come off a little bit, but the majority will stay in there. So it does lighten up, and I'm sure it will even more with the sun beaming down on it. But this stuff is surely going to make my fences last literally forever. If you just keep on oiling your fences, then there is no need to replace them because the water won't rot it out and the weather won't rot it. So this is what it's looking like. It's going on relatively easy. Let me give you a little demo. It's how gloopy it is. I mean, as you would expect, just used engine oil. Don't know about the health and safety aspects of it, okay? But I do not care. It's on a fence. It's going on nicely. I'm putting it on really heavy, like so, and it goes on quicker than you think. Nicely. Just getting it in all the nooks and crannies. The heavier I put it on, the more I feel like it's going to soak into the wood and last even longer, get into all those gaps, all those knots. And overall, no matter how you put it on, I've noticed, if you put a bit on here, a bit there, you put it on light, put it on heavy, it all blends in and looks similar. That's one thing I was worried about, is it looking patchy. So I think it'll all come together. You know, the boys are doing separate patches here and there. It's probably the best thing you can use on your fence panels. I mean, why not? Thick, it's gloopy, it's water resistant, it's gonna stop water penetrating into the grain. Well, they should last for a long time. Keep treating them. Yeah, we just got 20-litre containers. I got 3 20-litre containers, and it's lasting a long time. So the thing is, you don't really worry when you're applying oils and finishes on things. As you're rolling, you go, oh, I'm going to run out, I don't want to buy another one. So you put it on lighter. In the grand scheme of things, it's not a great thing to do. You're skimping, trying to save, but you're not really. You need to put this stuff on heavy. And by utilising old oil that you're going to chuck away anyway, do not care how much you're going to use. Just make sure you cover your floors up and just cover anything up, because it is oil. It will stain whatever it touches. Apart from that, it's really easy. Just rubbish brushes, the wider the better. Use trays, buckets, whatever. You don't need it to be classy gear to use this stuff. It's just old oil. And yeah, I think we've cracked it, haven't we, boys? Do you reckon this is going to last years? Yeah, it's going to last a long time. Well done, boys. Right, I've got some news. He came round and said, why the hell are you using such a small brush? So I found this one. It's for dusting. It's 120 mil. Are you ready for it, ladies and gentlemen? Ah! Look at that. 3 times the speed. Look at that. So kids are going to do the little tricky bit. So I've upgraded Louis to a 63 mil now. What were you in before? Oh, he's on a 50 now, 63. He's been upgraded. And he's dripping still. And then I'm on the 120. But what are you on? You're on the 0 because you're being lazy. Sitting on the wall. Anyway. So there we go. Tip of the day. To get it done quicker, use a bigger brush. And one of these dusting brushes, not actually meant for what I'm doing right now, is absolutely perfect. Gets in the grain nicely. Really well. Like I said, you want to put this on heavy because you don't want patches. You don't put it on heavy enough. There you go. We've got that done in no time. El done. So we're about an hour and a half in. It's looking all right. Kids are slacking. He's not doing much. This one's not doing much. Your wages are going to go right down. Let's do the grand reveal. Overall, absolutely blinding. We are super happy with how this has turned out. It's just transformed the look of the timber. It looks more expensive. It actually looks like hardwood now. Not far off looking like the Bilal that we're going to finish very soon. Super dense Bilal, but this is just cheap, tannalized softwood that's been out in the elements for at least 10 years, come back to life with a bit of engine oil. And I'm sure it's going to extend the life of these at least 10 years. Probably won't need oiling very often, once every 5-10 years, but yeah, it's come out really, really well. Still need to do a little bit of cutting in, and we're thinking for all of these down here, why not get out the sprayer? So stay tuned for another version of this oiling. We're seeing if we can load up the oil into a sprayer, an airless sprayer, see if we can really ramp up production on these panels over there. So we're in the evening, it's had about 6 hours. You can see where it's fading a little bit, soaking in, so it is going to get a bit lighter. I think quite a bit lighter. Probably the best money saving tip that you'll hear this week. Take it easy. Ciao for now.